Kambal kaya to, guys? Ano kaya magiging reaction ni Daddy Bryce at ni Mami Omni? Sige po.
Tagal niya na pala dyan.
Buo na si baby. Ito yung head niya. Good day, everyone. It's another day. It's another vlog for the Clingy fam. Today, we're gonna have our very first ultrasound. Woo! Be obvious. Yun yung ginagaya namin kay Zella. Pag kumakanta siya, kahit mali-mali yung lyrics, ang sa dulo, importante, thank you! So, we are excited to find out kung
ilang months na ba si baby?
Ilang months na ba si baby? We don't really know. Pero sa tingin mo, ilang months na kami? Hula?
More than 1 month na to. Mga 6 weeks na to.
Mga 6 weeks? Okay, ako mga 2 months siguro. Oh, so ibig sabihin 7 months na lang?
Plus 1 na.
We're heading towards yung clinic kung nasaan yung OB namin, na siya ring OB ni Zia at OB ni Zella. Although we're now residing in Makati, we're willing to travel there. Kasi number 1 is, we're hoping na nandun yung kakayahan namin OB pa. Kasi totally talaga, tinanggal na namin sa isip namin yung possibility na magbubuntis pa si Omni. Kaya ngayon, we have to look for her again. Pangalawa, that clinic is not expensive. Kambal kaya to, guys? Kasi iba, they're hoping na kambal daw na lalaki.
Hindi pa naman.
Oo. Kapag isa lang, ang heartbeat is tugs, 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 tugs. Kapag naman kambal, tugs, 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 tugs. One thing that we're thankful about, hindi siya sensitive magbuntis. Ano kaya magiging reaction ni Daddy Bryce at ni Mami Omni pag narinig ang heartbeat ni baby or nila babies?
Hoping ka talaga sa twins.
Right now, pupunta na kami dun sa clinic kung saan na kami nagpupunta before pa. It's funny because nagsisimula na kami maging nostalgic.
Nakita ko yung favorite na salad store niya.
Yeah. Ano pa, yung mga stalls na talagang kinakainan namin before dito. Grabe, grabe. Parang kailan lang. This is gonna be, I don't know kung anong klaseng vlog mangyayari ngayon. But definitely, masaya to. Oh my goodness. Parang bigyan akong kinabahan. Buntis po ba talaga to?
Nine weeks kong first week ng March.
Na May po. First week ng May yung last. Grabe, may head na siya, may kamay na. Sige po. Si Mommy's crying.
Tagal niya na pala dyan.
Naiiyak din ako. Hindi tayo sa gastos, ha? Buo na si baby. Ito yung head niya. Tapos tumutubo na rin yung kamay niya. 8 weeks and 1 day. My goodness! 2 months! So 7 months na lang. Lagi yan, ha? Favorite number namin 7 talaga. So 7 months na lang. Magkita na tayo, baby. Yeah. The heart is beating. Yun. Yun yung heartbeat niya yun. Healthy baby. Thank you, Lord. Happy ka? Ang key daw parang tumalino yung bata is kausapin na kausapin. So right now, we're having this theory na kaya si Zella ganun kasi nasobrahan sa usap. Honestly guys, I feel so emotional right now kasi sobrang throwback. Parang grabe, parang nagka-flashback lahat ng mga pinagdaanan namin ni Omni from Zia, yung mga challenges namin together. Tapos, yun nga, just so you know, mag-7 years na kami engaged on Monday, July 17. Mag-7 years na kami married by January 2018. Ang dami na namin pinagdaanan. You won't imagine the worst. Sobra as in. And the good thing is we stick together. So sa mga challenges na yun, we're thankful kasi okay yung heartbeat niya. Usually, kapag nagiging parent ka, especially pag first time, no? Although kasi kami parang doesn't matter kung first time, second time, or third time. Siguro yung knowledge lang nagkakain pa. Pero yung big natin towards the journey, towards it, same. So nandun yung mga apprehension, what if ganito, what if hindi ganun ka-healthy, but yun, very in faith, we're confident na this one, just like Zia and Sarah, healthy rin siya. There, that's my baby. There, our baby. Were you good girls today? What will you say? Say thank you. Walang lipstick, anak. We went to like mga 3 stores. Wala talaga, anak.
Pero merong fidget spinner!
Yeah! Oh, so good.
Mommy, you give me a fidget spinner! This is
Are you happy? Yes, she's been asking for a fidget spinner for a long time now. Are you happy? Look! Are you happy? We have a surprise!
You wanna see your baby brother? Head.
Look, baby brother!
Baby brother inside mommy tummy. What's
Look!
That's the head.
This, anak, the ultrasound. It's like the picture of the baby. This is the baby. Inside mommy's tummy. Here. So, hindi na pwedeng ma-hurt yung tummy ni mommy, okay? So, yun. Nagsisimula pa lang ang ating pregnancy journey. So, mahaba-haba pa to, guys. Hope you'll be with us hanggang sa paglabas ni baby. So, today, we're happy to see yung first ultrasound niya. Yes! Yes! So, they're so happy. And yan, maririnig nyo sila sa background kasi first time nila mag-fidget spinner. Naghintay talaga namin sila so they will learn how to wait. Hindi pwedeng pagbago yung toy, dapat agad-agad meron sila. No, they have to wait. So we just learned na 2 months and 1 week, 1 day na si baby. So
8 weeks and 1 day.
Expected delivery date would be mga early February or late January. So yun, if you wanna be updated sa mga mangyayari pa sa pregnancy ni Omni and of course hanggang sa paglabas ng baby namin, ng aming bunso, ang +1 ng aming clingy fam, and of course sa paglaki ng mga bagets na ito, just like this video if you want us to come up with more, and of course hit that subscribe button there.
Comment
down below. Talk to us, guys. We'd love to talk to you also. Let us know if may mga pwede kayo i-share sa amin na mga ideas sa pagbubuntis na to, how we could enjoy this, or ano pa mga pwede namin gawin. Nalimutan na namin dahil ang tagal na nung huli namin, no? That was 2 years ago. Actually, 2 years or even more kasi 2 years old is the baby. So that's it, guys. Again,
this is Omni.
And this is Bryce. And of course, we're still watching the Clingy Fam. And always remember that dreams do come true. So, faith it till you make it. Bye! Good night, guys. Bye-bye.